So I came down to Arkana because I had just recently lost my job as a beer and wine representative. And I was just very lost and needed to find a new path. And I did some research on ayahuasca and that how it's helped out many people. So I decided to give it a chance and spend 3 weeks down in Peru, 2 weeks in the jungle and 1 week in the Sacred Valley. And so the first week was, I didn't realize how broken I was. I was going through withdrawals from alcohol, from the alcohol industry. I had a lot of past issues with the military that never got settled just because I always suppressed it. It was groundbreaking. It broke me down. And then it was just incorporating all the intention ceremonies, the just focusing on yourself and giving yourself self-love again. It was all that stuff added up, and then it went into the ayahuasca ceremonies to where ayahuasca does a deep cleanse, and you just start purging all those emotions and all that stuff out, and it was just truly incredible, ceremony after ceremony, the progress that I noticed I was making. In the second week, it got much easier, and I started getting a lot more realization of who I was and what path I was supposed to be on. And then coming down to the Sacred Valley it was it was beautiful. I got to see Machu Picchu and see some of the history and a little bit deeper about the Incans and how they use some of these medicines. And just the facilitators all around were incredible about sound healing, about how sound affects the body with vibrations. Um, we also did breath work that was huge to me because I've never, coming from a military and sports background, you breathe heavy. You breathe heavy. And this taught me to relax my breath, to slow down, to actually focus on it. And I noticed a big difference to where you could feel kind of high just naturally, just by breathing, and you just naturally relax. And all I could say is if anybody gets a chance to come down here and you want to change your life and find a new path, this is the place to come. I've never felt so at peace in my entire life. Thank you, Arkana.
Thank you.